Page 13. This is the quiz at the bottom of the page. I'll just go over this briefly, at least some of it. Now, there is a box at the bottom about composer in brief, but you can Google this stuff and read all about it and get as confused as you want to, so I'll leave that up to you. But I'm going to cover quiz time in this lesson because all this information is important. Number one, what does that symbol mean? And it shows you the symbol, and it's simply a repeat sign. Right now, it means go back to the beginning and play it all again. That definition I'll change later on because we need another symbol we haven't had yet, and that affects the definition. Number two, they have a whole note plus a half note plus a quarter note equals how many beats? And the answer is there's no way to know that because the number of beats a note gets is based on the time signature. And unless they tell us what the time signature is, I can't tell you how many beats any note gets. But we've only had 2/4 and 4/4 times, so we're going to pretend that whatever the time signature is, the bottom note is a 4, so a quarter note's going to get one count. So if we pretend a quarter note gets a count, now we can do the others because the quarter note is 1, the half note is 2, and the whole note is 4. And you add them all together, you get 7 counts total. Number 3, the white notes are named after the first something letters of the alphabet. I guess they want a number. The first how many letters of the alphabet? All right, it's A through G, and that's 7 of them. There's 7 different notes in that we use in music. So 7 letters of the alphabet. Number 4, what is the name given to the 2 staves used for the piano? And I think what they're after here is the grand staff. Remember, it has the curly brace in front. The 2 staves connected with vertical line, and it has a curly brace. That's a grand staff, and that's what a piano uses. Other instruments use it too. Number 5, write your own 4-bar piece for the left hand and 4/4 time on the staff below. They say staff below, but I say staff. You say whatever you want, I don't care. Using the notes you have learned, then play it. We've given you the start and last note. So they give you the C to start on and the F to end on, and you get to make up the middle, whatever. That's up to you. So I suggest the 4-bar phrase, they have the last note is in a measure by itself. It's a whole note. That indicates you're probably in 4/4 time. You can't be in 2/4 time because you can't have a whole note in 2/4. That's not allowed. So it has to be in 4/4 time. So I suggest you draw in a bass clef and put in 4/4 time to make it complete. And then you put in these notes and just make sure that each measure has 4 counts in it of half notes or quarter notes or whole notes or whatever you want. And there's no right or wrong answer here. It's entirely up to you and what you want to hear. Let me know if you have any questions. That's all I have to say on this quiz for now. But this completes this unit. So I think in the next unit, we're going to start putting the hands together and things are getting rough. So make sure you know all the notes in the music we've covered and you know the names of the keys on the keyboard.
Yeah.